whistle, and you see that it doesn't really matter.
I love this song, dude.
I'm right and you're wrong, just like every time before. Can't you see that in the dark by the door? I know everything to know. I know everything about life and love and living and other stuff. Don't you know? I know everything. I've been there before. That's why I have to tell you and warn you about the things that's gonna happen to you. Why do you get so mad when it happens now and then? Just like I said, don't you know that I know everything? Why do we always have to fight? It's just a waste of time, my time.
I like the lyrics, dude.
And we get back together anyway. I know everything to know. I know everything about life and love and the pain and other stuff. Don't you know?
Don't you know?
I know everything. Don't you know that I know everything? You know that I know
Well, if you listen to what he's saying,
everything.
Our friends are a little drunk. You notice that, right?
Tired of fighting about it.
Is that Francis?
Everything. Thank you, 43 North.
Yeah! Right on,
That's
Jerry!
fun.
Woo!
Guys, thanks,
Rock
man.
on!
I know everything.
Gary, you gotta check out the website.
Big round for Gary Long. That guy's a wildcat right there.
That's right.
All right, next up, we got